my name is Shravani. I'm currently a second year ENTC student at PVG COET. I joined Opine Group almost a year ago to learn Python programming language, after which I completed my course in C, Data Structures and Algorithms in C, and Object-Oriented Programming in CPP. My experience has really been awesome. The teachers have helped me a lot in clearing the smallest of my doubt. Also, deep diving into data structures and algorithm has cleared my concepts to a great extent and has given me an edge over my peers and helped build my programming skills in general. Looking forward to learning machine learning in Opine.